You ever feel like you're working just to stay afloat? Like every dollar you make is already spent before it hits your account? Here's a harsh truth. If your money isn't working while you sleep, you'll be working until you die. But today, that changes. I'm going to show you 5 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025, not fluff, not fantasy. These are realistic, profitable, and already building wealth for thousands of people your age, with little to no startup capital. Stick with me till the end, because idea number 5 is the most scalable and can replace a full-time income in under a year. If money could flow into your bank account every morning without clocking in, why wouldn't you want that? Let's dive in. Most of us are taught to trade time for money. Go to college, get a job, climb the ladder. But the truth is, wealthy people don't trade time. They buy back their time. And they do it with passive income. Now, passive doesn't mean zero effort. It means front-loaded effort that pays you back over and over again. We're not here to build fantasy empires. We're here to build automated income machines, starting today. 1. Digital products. This one's a hidden gem. Create it once, sell it forever. Think Notion templates, workout plans, ebooks, budgeting spreadsheets. Real example. A 24-year-old college dropout made over $90,000 last year selling Notion templates, all while traveling across South America. No warehouse, no shipping, no customer service headaches. Why it works? People crave digital solutions to real problems, and they're willing to pay. Once set up, your sales are 100% passive. And no, you don't need to write a 300-page novel called How I Conquered Wall Street. A simple budgeting sheet can make you thousands. But what if you don't want to create anything? No problem. Let someone else do the heavy lifting. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is like being a middleman, but the kind that gets paid handsomely for suggesting good stuff. You recommend products you already use through YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even Reddit. When someone buys through your link, real example, an average US affiliate earns around $50,000 per year. Top earners? 6 figures. And the best part? You don't need millions of followers, just the right niche and trust. Now imagine earning commissions automatically, 24/7, even while you binge Netflix. But it gets even better when the income keeps growing on its own. 3. Print-on-demand stores. Ever seen a hoodie on Etsy that says, overthinking and overdrafting? Chances are, the seller never touched a single piece of inventory. That's print-on-demand. Design a product, upload it, and a third party handles printing, shipping, and fulfillment. You could be turning your creativity into cash, instead of just giving it away for free on Instagram. And no, you don't have to be Picasso. Even simple text teas like coffee first, capitalism later, are making people thousands. But let's say you want something even more hands-off, with compounding potential. 4. Investing in index funds. This is the holy grail of true passive income. You don't need to beat the market, you just need to own it. Index funds are diversified baskets of stocks that grow with the economy. You invest once, they pay you dividends forever. Invest $500 per month into an S&P 500 index fund starting at age 22. You could be sitting on $1.5 million by 45. No trading, no guesswork. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. Delay just 5 years, and you could lose hundreds of thousands in long-term gains. Still, what if I told you there's a 5th method that not only generates passive income, but turns you into a brand, and you never have to show your face? 5. Faceless YouTube automation. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding. Think channels like Top 10s, finance explainers, and relaxing soundscapes. You write a script, use stock video or AI tools, add a voiceover, and upload. Ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships start rolling in. Some channels are earning $5,000 to $20,000 per month with just a few viral videos, and nobody knows who's behind them. This isn't just income, it's influence without exposure. You build digital real estate that keeps paying you, even when you're offline, asleep, or on the beach in Tulum. Here's the truth. No one's coming to save you financially. But right now, you've got the tools, the ideas, and the power to change your future. Start with one: building compound, scale. And remember, the earlier you start, the sooner you buy back your freedom. In the next video, I'll break down how to launch your first passive income stream in 7 days, even if you're starting from scratch. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, hit subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside.